Let's talk about some changes that have happened in 2026. So I think one of the biggest change that I could say in 2026 is good isn't good enough anymore. And what I mean by this is it before we could publish like a good book and we could make some really good money with it. But now every single detail needs to be dialed in from the description to the title to your cover. Everything has to be dialed in. So you definitely have to be paying attention to the details in order to succeed in this day and age. The tools are better than ever right now. We have like Dibbly Create, which keeps getting better and better and better with new and tools from their guided book flow to their design studio. We have Kip Scout that's made KDP Spy completely irrelevant. And so the tools that are coming out, and then we have just AI in general. The tools that are coming out are just so good. The cost is getting lower to use them. And that's something like, 5 years ago, oh, we wish we had tools like what we have right now. And that just makes publishing easier for you to get started, especially if you're on a lower budget. But the fundamentals have never changed. They're still there, right? Picking an in-demand topic, producing a high quality book, right? Getting reviews, running ads, like those basic things haven't changed. And guess what? They never will, because that's the fundamentals of this business.